Imagine a world where your finances are completely automated, where all your investments, savings, and spending decisions are handled by a smart assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. Does that sound like science fiction? Well, in 2025, this isn't just a possibility, it's a reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing personal finance, making it easier, more efficient, and even smarter. Whether tracking your spending, investing your savings, managing your credit score, or even predicting your future financial needs, AI is becoming the backbone of how we manage money. In this video, we'll explore the top ways that AI is transforming the world of personal finance with real-world examples, case studies, and insights into how you can use these tools to improve your financial life. By the end of this video, you'll understand why AI in personal finance isn't just a trend, but a fundamental shift that's here to stay. Let's dive into one of the most groundbreaking innovations in personal finance: robo-advisors. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a robo-advisor and how it can help you manage your money? A robo-advisor is an AI-powered platform that provides automated investment management. It uses algorithms to build and manage an investment portfolio based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Think of it as a financial advisor without expensive fees and complex jargon. Meet John, a 28-year-old millennial who wants to start investing but feels overwhelmed by all the options. John doesn't have time to read financial books, analyze stocks, or hire a financial advisor, so he turns to a robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront. These platforms gather information from John about his goals, risk appetite, and time horizon, then build an automated investment strategy for him. According to NerdWallet, robo-advisors have grown exponentially in recent years, with the market expected to reach $2.5 trillion by 2025. Platforms like Betterment have helped over 700,000 users create diverse portfolios with minimal effort. What makes robo-advisors so appealing is the fact that they offer personalized portfolios with low fees, sometimes as low as 0.25% per year. For example, in comparison, traditional financial advisors might charge anywhere from 1% to 3% annually, making robo-advisors a much more affordable option for the average investor. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Robo-advisors also rebalance portfolios automatically, which means that as market conditions change, your investments are adjusted without you lifting a finger. In fact, according to Forbes, robo-advisors can reduce investor anxiety and decision fatigue. Since they automate much of the investment process, they allow individuals to stick to their long-term financial goals without the stress of daily market fluctuations. In 2024, robo-advisors has grown to manage over $500 billion in assets. And in the coming years, experts predict that they will manage over $1 trillion by 2027. Imagine the impact on individual investors who might not have had access to such advanced tools in the past. Next, let's talk about budgeting, one of the most important yet tedious aspects of personal finance. Whether it's keeping track of your monthly expenses or planning for large purchases, budgeting has always been a challenge. But with AI, managing your money is now easier than ever before. Meet Sarah, a busy professional with a hectic schedule. Sarah used to rely on spreadsheets to track her spending, but she found it time-consuming and frustrating. Enter AI-powered budgeting apps like Mint or You Need a Budget, YNAB. These apps use machine learning to automatically categorize every transaction in real time. Whether Sarah is grabbing coffee at her local cafe or paying her rent, the app knows exactly where her money is going. These AI tools not only track spending but also provide personalized insights. For example, Mint might notify Sarah, "You've spent 20% more on groceries this month compared to last. Consider switching to a cheaper store to save $50. Many users report that these tools have helped them save money just by giving them a clear picture of their spending habits. Mint users save an average of $500 per year by using its AI-driven suggestions to optimize their spending. According to a survey by Bankrate, 44% of Americans are using budgeting apps to manage their finances, and over 25 million people use Mint alone. The AI-powered budgeting system has become essential for millions of people. You Need a Budget, YNAB, has a unique AI feature that tracks income and expenses across different categories. When Sarah enters a new expense, the AI categorizes it correctly, even if she's making a one-off purchase she's never made before. Over time, The system learns her spending behavior and can provide more accurate predictions about where she can save. Imagine having a tool that doesn't just tell you what you've spent, but actively helps you spend better. That's the power of AI in budgeting. Now let's talk about credit scores, a crucial factor in personal finance. For many people, maintaining a good credit score can be a challenge. A low credit score can result in higher interest rates on loans, making it more expensive to borrow money. Traditionally, credit scores have been based on your credit history, outstanding debt, and payment behavior. But in 2025, AI is changing the game. In the past, a person like Tom, with limited credit history, might have found it difficult to secure a loan. But with AI-driven credit scoring, platforms like Zest AI are using alternative data, such as social media activity, income trends, and even education level, to create more accurate credit scores. This allows people who may not have a traditional credit history to access financial products at fair rates. Zest AI has already helped companies make better lending decisions by using machine learning to evaluate hundreds of data points that go beyond the traditional credit report. In 2024, Upstart, a lending platform powered by AI, was able to reduce loan default rates by 75% compared to traditional lending models. By using alternative data sources like employment history, income growth, and education, Upstart offers loans to people who might otherwise be denied by traditional banks. AI-driven credit scoring could increase approval rates for individuals with limited or poor credit histories by 30 to 40%. This has the potential to level the playing field for millions of people worldwide. As we move toward more advanced AI in personal finance, let's explore AI-powered financial planning. In 2025, anyone with an internet connection can get personalized financial advice without the high fees associated with traditional advisors. Meet Tom, a 35-year-old professional who dreams of buying a home, saving for retirement, and funding his children's education. But Tom has little time to meet with financial advisors. He doesn't know where to start. That's where AI-powered assistants like Clio and Pocketsmith come in. These tools analyze your financial situation and create tailored plans based on your unique goals. Clio, for example, sends weekly financial summaries and offers suggestions like, "You're spending too much on dining out. You could save $200 this month by cutting back." According to the Financial Times, 55% of millennials are using AI-powered financial advisors, with many claiming they feel more in control of their finances because they get real-time insights and automated recommendations. Clio uses machine learning to offer personalized advice and helps individuals track their financial goals with more accuracy than traditional methods. In fact, Clio was able to save one user over $2,000 in 1 year by providing actionable insights about spending and investment behavior. The AI advisor recommended small changes in budgeting that had a significant impact on the user's financial health. The future of personal finance is bright with AI. From robo-advisors helping you build and manage a portfolio to AI-powered budgeting apps that track your spending and provide financial insights, these tools are revolutionizing the way we manage our money. AI is not just for the tech-savvy or the wealthy. It's becoming an essential tool for everyone, making personal finance smarter, more efficient, and more accessible. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started with investing or someone trying to save for the future, there's an AI tool out there to help you reach your goals. So the next time you think about managing your finances, remember, with AI, it doesn't have to be complicated. It's time to take control and let technology work for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest in personal finance and tech trends. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what AI tool you've tried or plan to try to improve your financial life. See you next time.